The cabin air filter in your 2010-2019 Lexus GX460 is crucial for maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. It traps dust, pollen, and other contaminants, improving air quality and preventing odors. Replacing it regularly ensures efficient HVAC performance and a healthier driving environment. Neglecting this maintenance can lead to musty smells, reduced defrosting, and increased strain on the blower motor. The cabin air filter in the Lexus GX460 is located behind the glove box. This position provides relatively easy access for replacement, as the glove box can be opened and the filter housing is directly accessible underneath. No special tools are generally required for replacement, making this a straightforward DIY task that most owners can complete in under 30 minutes. First, open the glove box fully to access the area behind it. Next, depress the sides of the glove box to release it from its hinges. This allows the glove box to swing down further and reveals the filter housing behind it. Now, locate the filter cover behind the glove box. It is typically held in place by clips or screws. Remove any clips or screws holding the filter cover in place. Finally, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter from the housing. Once the old filter is removed, inspect the filter housing for any debris or damage. Vacuum the area to remove any loose particles. This ensures a clean environment for the new filter and prevents any contaminants from entering the HVAC system. Take your new filter and match the specifications to the old one. Note the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. It should point downward. Install the new filter into the housing with the airflow arrow pointing towards the vehicle's interior, usually downward. This ensures proper filtration. First, reattach the filter cover by securing it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Ensure it's properly aligned and fastened. Next, carefully reassemble the glove box by aligning it with the hinges and pushing the sides inward until they click into place. Finally, test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow and temperature control by running the fan and checking vents. When replacing your Lexus GX460's cabin air filter, you have two main choices: OEM filters from Lexus or aftermarket options from third-party manufacturers. OEM filters are the original parts designed by Lexus. They meet factory specifications and offer dependable basic protection against dust, pollen, and road debris. Aftermarket filters from brands like Bosch or Fram offer superior features. HEPA-grade filters trap tiny allergens and particles, while activated carbon filters neutralize odors and harmful gases. This image compares OEM and aftermarket air filter options, showing the variety available for your GX460. HEPA-grade aftermarket filters excel at capturing microscopic contaminants. This diagram shows how dust and microbes are trapped, delivering fresh, clean air to your cabin. Fine particulates like PM2.5 and PM10 are much smaller than human hair. Aftermarket filters with advanced materials effectively capture these pollutants, improving air quality significantly. Cost-wise, OEM filters range from $10 to $50, while premium aftermarket options cost $15 to $80, depending on features and brand. K&N carbon filters are a popular aftermarket choice that enhances cabin air quality by trapping odors and particulates more effectively than standard filters. Replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually to maintain optimal air quality in your Lexus GX460. Consider upgrading to a smart cabin air filter with IoT sensors that provide real-time air quality monitoring and replacement alerts via smartphone apps. Proactive filter changes can reduce overall maintenance costs and extend the life of your HVAC system by up to 20% through reduced strain on components. Ignoring the cabin air filter can lead to a 40 to 60% increase in cabin particulate levels, affecting air quality and potentially causing health issues.